What's up? Mark from Straight to You Tech, and maybe you guys got the question I got, and that is, will the Samsung Galaxy Buds charge with the Gear S3 smartwatch base? Now let me prove to you that we got power on this thing, so I'm gonna unplug it and I'm gonna plug it in so you can see the indicator lights come on. So you see the LEDs? Okay, that's good. Power it up. Okay, I'm gonna take my watch just so you can see that it does charge. Alright, charging up. Alright, Galaxy Buds, let's try them out. We're gonna start like that. Now if they were wirelessly charging, the LED light would be giving me a green light or some kind of light. It's not doing that, even though it's got itself magnetically attached to it pretty good. It's not doing nothing. Okay, let's try another orientation. Nothing. Okay, let's try it the flat way. Okay, no charging up. These are definitely the Galaxy Buds, okay? No question. Try it the backward way. Let's see. You see the LED up there on top? That's just the battery is kind of low in the case. But no indicator light at the bottom right there. So that's it. I'm done. So there you have it. The Galaxy Buds will not charge with the Gear S3 base. Mark from Straight to You Tech, and I'm out.